In today's video, we will fix the TradingView chart not moving up and down. Okay, so here is how you can easily fix this issue. Step 1 is to enable the dragging. So chart may not locked from the movement. So to enable it, you can simple right click on the sidebar. Once you right click, here you can simple enable the auto fit data to screen. Once you do, you will see here your chart will be moving up and down. You will see once I disable it, my chart will be not moving complete. Okay, as I want. It will simple drag dropping from left to right, but not moving up and down. But once I disable it, it will moving up and down. Next step is to reset the price scale. So manually scaling can freeze vertical movement. So right click and then after here you can simple reset the scale. So here you can simple click on reset price scale. Once you do, you will also move to up and down. Next step is to use correct mouse control. Wrong input methods can prevent the movement. So you can simple press the left button and then after you can drag and drop from up and down on your mouse. Next step is you can simple check indicator scale lock. Indicators can lock chart scaling. So remove any kind of indicator that you are using. Also make sure that it will not block from dragging and dropping. And the last step is you can simple refresh the website. Okay, or reopen it again. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.